Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we're about to dive into something seriously cool. Today, we're getting into the nitty-gritty of keyframe animation in CapCut. You know, the stuff that takes your videos from meh to wow. So, if you want to level up your video game and make your content pop, stick around because you're in for a treat. First off, let's break it down and get cozy with what keyframe animation is all about. Imagine this, you've got a video clip and you want it to do some fancy moves. That's where keyframes come into play. They're like magical points that tell your clip where to start and where to end. It's like choreographing a dance for your video. But before we start the animation party, let's get to know our BFF, CapCut. CapCut is this awesome app that's super friendly and can do a ton of cool stuff. It's like the Swiss Army knife of video editing tools. You're gonna love it. Now, why should you even bother learning keyframe animation? Well, here's the juicy part. Keyframe animation is the secret sauce that makes your videos grab people's attention. It's like adding sprinkles to your ice cream, it just makes everything better. With keyframe animation, you can do all sorts of fancy tricks, like making things move smoothly, adding a dash of pizzazz with special effects, and making your content stand out in the crowd. Seriously, it's your ticket to being the cool kid in the video editing playground. Okay, let's get our hands dirty and start creating some animation magic. I'm gonna walk you through this step by step, so don't worry if you're new to this. We'll start by grabbing our video clips, then we'll pick the one we want to give some animation love. After that, it's as easy as pie, we'll use CapCut's animation features to make our video come to life. By the time we're done, you'll be the animation wizard of your videos. Now, let's talk about when to sprinkle that keyframe magic dust. Picture this, you're making a video, and you want to do something fancy. That's when you drop in some keyframe action. Want something to smoothly glide across the screen? Keyframe animation. Need to zoom in on an important detail? Yep, keyframes again. And if you're feeling super creative and want to make your videos pop, keyframe animation is your best friend. It's like adding a cherry on top of your video sundae. But wait, there's more. I'm not leaving you hanging. I've got a bunch of resources to share with you. From CapCut's official website and YouTube channel to some super cool third-party websites and YouTube channels that are all about CapCut tutorials. So, even after this video, you can keep learning and keep leveling up your video game. So, in a nutshell, keyframe animation is your secret weapon for making awesome videos. With CapCut as your trusty sidekick, you're ready to take your video editing skills to a whole new level. I encourage you to roll up your sleeves and start experimenting because practice makes perfect, my friend. Thanks a bunch for hanging out with us today on. If you found this video helpful, and I know you did, go ahead and hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and share it with your fellow video enthusiasts. We've got loads more exciting stuff coming your way, and hey, if you've got questions or just want to say hi, drop a comment down below. Until next time, happy editing, and remember, you've got the key to amazing videos.